Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marilyn. If you are new to my channel, welcome. So if you're new here, I do beauty, lifestyle, and wellness videos here in my channel. So thank you guys so much for subscribing and watching this video. So in today's video, I want to start making videos specifically on different topics such as lifestyle, of course, makeup videos and skincare video. Still doing that, but I also want to start doing more wellness videos, and that's why I started creating this video, and I'll be starting to post them every Wednesday. That's why we call it Wellness Wednesday. So anything when it comes to helping you with your wellness, whether it's fitness, whether it's something to do with your nutrition or mental health, because I really believe that everything is all connected. So if you take care of yourself, if you practice self-care every day and do something for yourself, but also eating food that is good for you, managing your stress, everything is connected. That's why I want to start doing this video series called Wellness Wednesday. So just a little bit background about myself. I know I talk about a lot of makeup and skincare here on my channel, but I actually have a background in fitness. So a few years ago, before I got pregnant with Micah, I was actually certified as a personal instructor and as well as a Zumba instructor. When I took my fitness classes, we actually learned a little bit about nutrition. And that's why I want to share with you guys a nutritional supplement unboxing with you today. So basically this box is from Usana Health Sciences. So Usana Health Sciences is a supplement company that is founded by a scientist, and they are really high quality products. I'm not gonna bore you guys with all those information, but I'm gonna make sure to link a link in the description down below so you can learn more about the company. I've been with Usana since 2014. The reason why I decided to partner with Usana is because I personally have trouble with my health. I was looking for a product that would help me with my health, to boost my immune system, because I always have trouble with my immunity, my immune health. So that's where I found Usana, and I've been taking their products since then. And if you guys been watching me for a while now, I have some videos that I talk about Usana as well, but I find that this time of the year is the most important time where I can start sharing with you guys products that I've been taking and maybe something that you guys would be interested in as well. So without further ado, let's go start with this unboxing. I'm gonna make sure to link the link on my description down below where you can get all the products that I'm gonna talk to you guys about. But every month you have an option to receive products every month, and or you can just order whenever you need. But I personally choose to order a monthly products depending on what exactly I need at that moment. And they provide supplements, and they also have some meal replacement and as well as skincare. I want to start doing this monthly unboxing with you guys, just for you guys to see what I'm getting in a monthly basis. Every month is different, but this way I can educate you guys more in different products that I'm taking. So here are the products that I have. And each order comes with receipts, but you can also access your receipt on if you decided to be a client. You're gonna receive a free client account where you can place your order, but you can also access your receipts and see all the prices. So for clients, preferred client get between 10 to 20% of your order. So if you decided to have a monthly orders like myself, you'll get 20% every month. And then if you just decided to order whenever you want, you can create your free account down in the description down below. And every time you place an order, you can get 10% discount. So first thing that I order is proclucamine. Okay, so what is proclucamine? I'm gonna read the information for you guys, but I'm also gonna link it down below so you can read it. So this product helps with your immune health and it maintains overall wellness and vitality. Here's the health benefits. It contains zinc and intelligent beta-glucan complex to support your healthy immunity. It also helps you stay fit and well even during times of occasional stress, and primes immune cell natural protective responses. Those are really very scientific wording, so I'm gonna link the information down below so you can read more about it. But the main ingredient of this product is mushroom, and we know that mushroom is really, really good antioxidant ingredients. So next thing is this hydrating eye essence. So I work with different brands, and to be completely honest, it's really hard to find a eye cream that works well, because there's different kind of eye cream, but I just personally love the Celavive skincare eye cream because it comes with this tube right here, and it also comes with this metal tip here where when you put the product, it will also debuff your under eye, so that is really good. So that's what I really like about it. So this is the eye cream. Next is this firming body nourishing. You guys know how I love lotion. I feel like I spend so much money with skincare in general, but as well as body products. So this one is one of my favorite. This is their firming body nourishing cream. This is the product that I actually use because there's no added paraben on it and it's safe for kids, and it smells good too. So that's that. And the last thing is this 28 pack of nutritional. So before this quarantine things happened, my husband and I actually go to the gym almost every day, and I just need something in between after the gym because I usually just go straight home and do my work. I just needed a meal in between to make sure that I fuel my body, so that's why I ordered this. So this is basically a Dutch chocolate. It's a meal replacement. It's a shake. I tried so many shakes out there. The good thing about this shake is it tastes really good, and you have an option of using milk or almond milk or water, and it tastes good. There's some shakes out there in the market that just taste nasty, that you actually have to use almond milk to make sure, like, to have it taste good. This one, you can literally just mix it with water and you are good to go. It comes with a big bag as well with 9 servings on them, but I prefer to have this right here because my hubby can actually bring it at work and he can just put it in his blender bottle, and it's just easy when you're on to go. So that's basically it. That's my unboxing for my Usana box for this month. I hope you guys are staying safe. I hope this video helped you guys if you are looking for any nutritional products, and if you have any questions, definitely let me know in the comment section down below, or you can follow me on Instagram and you can send me a message if you have any other questions. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on